Hello, today we're going to show you how to convert a quote to a job. The first thing you need to remember is your recent quote or the quote number that is preferred. We're going to use this one here, and then we're going to click on the quote to job tab up at the top. Once it opens the box, you will insert the particular quote number that is required. Once you've finished with the quote number, press OK, and then left click and highlight blue the required quote number, press OK. Are you sure you want to convert this quote to a job? Yes. As you can see here, there is two windows on this particular quote that we're converting into an order. Press OK. Do you want to lock all of the frame prices? No. And for this, you can click yes. At this stage now, the quote has been converted into an order. The first thing I would do is save the job number. Press close. And then as you can see at the top in the recent jobs, it's now appeared up here. The next stage would be to send the job to us. To do this, press send jobs. Insert the job number, which you can see on the left hand side. Again, press OK. Left click until highlighted blue and press OK. And then that has now been sent to us for processing, and we will check this over for you. At this stage, you can print the order release confirmation or close it yourself.